Hey guys, it's Erica from Erica Marie Plans. Welcome back to my channel for another memory plan with me. This week I am using oh man, I swear I never remember what these are. I know it's a mystery kit. I believe it was the September mystery kit. Um, I think it's her newest one that just came out from Scribble Prints Co. I loved the warm colors of this kit. I'm like so ready for fall kits. Usually I'm not into any type of fall kits. It's like my least favorite time to like have kits come out. But I'm really excited because I'm just so over summer. I'm so over the heat and I'm just ready for it to be cool. So, this week was was the last week actually. I was back at home with my family and my friends, and I decided to use this kit because we were traveling back to Arizona to come home, and I thought it was a good like fall road trip type of kit. Oops, sorry, to use for this spread and for this week. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I did use the copper wiggle that came with the kit for the mystery, and I also had a whole bunch of copper when she came out with her like mega wiggle last year, which I want her to do again because it was such a good deal. I think it was like a little over $30 for a crap ton of foil, and it was all the same type of foil, and so I thought it was such a great idea that she did that. So I hope she does it again. Um, yeah, I don't really know what else to talk about during this time. Oh, I do know I've been so busy with work. I've even been like working on my days off. So that's why I have not posted in a while, and I have not posted my kit organization collection video that you guys wanted last weekend. So I'm so sorry. That'll be up at the latest this coming weekend. I still need to film it, but that is my next video I plan on filming for you guys. So be on the lookout for that, and I'm so sorry it's late. I've just been so busy with work. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with the day by day. I did use half cut headers along with actual just regular headers because I didn't have enough half cut headers. And I've been doing this a lot these past couple weeks, and it's very tedious having to put in the half cut headers. But in the end, I really like the way it turns out with all the bougie, and I just don't want to like omit it and not have anything. So I'm just kind of dealing with it. So, first thing on Monday, Monday was my day off, and this was the laziest day I've ever had in like from what I can remember, like I never have super lazy days like this. So I literally stayed in my pajamas all day and we watched Bones. I think we finished like a whole season and another half of another season. We watched so much Bones all day. So I used an emoji to mark that I was just in my pajamas all day and a lazy day script from SPC. We also had a Bones binge. The Bones binge script is from Right Brain Paper Co. and I used an icon that came with the wiggle. Also, my sister made a smoothie this day. Not a lot happened this day, so I feel like I just needed to mark whatever I could remember. Um, the smoothie doodle icon is from SPC. We also watched the Giants game this day at home. I think this was the first Giants game we actually got to watch together this season. The Giants game script is from Kinsey's Creations, and the Baseball Girl is from Fox and Pip. I also played The Sims this day again. Play Sims script is from Right Brain Paper Co. And I used another emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co. And then I also stayed up late this day just because I was having a super lazy day. Was not tired. I was just relaxing all day. So I used a late night script from Kinsey's Creations along with another emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co. All right, moving on into Tuesday. Tuesday, I called in sick. I've never called in sick before, but this day I just not only did I like not feel like working, I just had like a migraine and really did not feel the best mentally, and so that's why I called out because I just knew I was not going to have a great day. So that's what I did. The sick script is from Letters to Apollo, and then the phone is from the Style Planner. I was also just in my head this day, was not feeling the best. There was some stuff going on, so I used an emoji to mark that and an in my head script from, again, Letters to Apollo. And then I also finally called Dean this day. I had not talked to him since we've been home, and so I finally got a hold of him this day, and so I used another emoji to mark that. And I cooked some fried rice, and that fried rice, or it's just a rice doodle that is from Once More with Love. Also, since I had called out sick, I played a lot of Sims. So, a good chunk of my day was playing Sims, since I didn't really have anything else to do, and that was the only thing that kind of made me like be in a better mood. So I played a lot. And then my dad also made pizza this day. I love when he makes pizza. He makes everything from scratch and it's so good, except he actually dropped the pizza in the oven, so it came out a little funky, but it was still good. And then I finally went to go see Dean at his parents' house, and when I got there, his family has a lot of dogs, and I mean a lot. I think I'm not like over exaggerating. I think they have 14 dogs. Um, and one of the or a couple of the dogs came over to me and essentially, I don't want to say attacked me, but they were just very hyper and they scratched me. And so and then I got attacked by dogs because I was bleeding kind of a lot and I have a pretty bad scar on my leg from it. But yeah, I just wanted to mark that because I never have a good experience with these dogs, so they're so crazy. They're so cute, but they're just very hyper. So I marked that, and then we had a movie night this night at his parents' house. I couldn't go inside just because they're so, I mean, as you should be, like social distancing and everything. So we just kind of hung outside and watched a movie outside there. And we watched The Escape Room, which was really good. I've never heard of it, but it's such a good movie. And then we also watched Bad Boys. I don't know what number it was, but it's like the newest one that came out. And then moving on into Wednesday. Wednesday was the first day of school for my sister. She is a junior this year in high school, which is so weird for me. I just don't understand how she's a junior. I just think that's so weird. Oh, and my iMovie froze. So I don't know if any of this voiceover recorded. Hold on, let me check and see what's going on. All right, so this voiceover is giving me so many problems. Okay, I don't remember where I left off, but I do remember I was talking about my sister starting school. I also had some morning coffee this day. The morning coffee script is from Right Brain Paper Co., and the icon is from SPC. I was also having some problems with my software that we use for work. I think it crashed like the last half of my shift, so I legit did nothing because there was nothing we could do. So I marked that we were having problems. I also was binge watching Bones this day because, like I said, I had nothing to do, and so I just decided to watch Bones. And it was a super slow day at work, even when our channels were working. So I got these custom scripts from Adorably Amy Plans, which I've filmed a haul, and that will be up soon, showing these scripts. But that is what happened. So it was just a super slow day. And I used a pumpkin paper girl to mark that. And then my back was hurting so bad this day. I don't know if I've mentioned this. I have really, really bad back problems. Like every single day my back hurts, but it's only on some days where it's like so bad that I can't even stand up. So this was the day that it just was horrible. I could not stand up straight. I was just like hunching over, like bent at my hips because it just hurt so bad. So my dad gave me like this oil that he uses and this like rub, and it actually worked for a little bit. It was really nice because it kind of just my back problem, and I definitely have some with me now, and I use it like every single day. And then also after work, I decided to play The Sims. I used a GP girl to mark that and play Sims script from um, where's that from? Right Brain Paper Co. I also FaceTime my boyfriend this day. The FaceTime script is from Letters to Apollo, and then the With Dean script is a custom from Kinsey's Creations. And then I also DoorDash Chipotle this day, and of course they got my order wrong, and so I had to. They ended up giving me like a credit for it, but I used a Wonton in a Million burrito sticker to mark that, and the Chipotle script is from Letters to Apollo. Moving on into Thursday. Thursday, I had just kind of like a me day. I did have to work, but I didn't work until later, which was nice. So I kind of just relaxed before going into work. I also had a Zoom meeting this day with my team lead, and I hadn't talked to him. Well, we have our meeting every other week, so obviously it's been like 2 weeks since I talked to him, but it was nice talking to him because we just had like more to talk about since I was like at home and he was just asking me how things were at home and like just working in a different environment. So it was really nice catching up with him. And then this day was such a busy day at work. I was not used to it because I was used to like just kind of chilling and doing my own thing and catching up on emails and stuff. But I had none of that extra time this day, and so it was so busy, and I just was not into that at all. And then later on this day, my sister made cookies. So I used a cookie doodle from Scribble Prints Co. And then to end my night, I had a FaceTime date with Dean before going to bed. Moving on into Friday. Friday, I decided to sleep in a little bit. I also bought some stickers this day. I don't remember where. I believe this is when I bought when the Coffee Monsters Co. was having her sale, and I think I also got my budget stickers this day. So I used a I'm a down ho for stickers from Kinsey's Creations. And then I also did some laundry because I just wanted to have a bunch of clean clothes when I came home. I didn't want to bring a bunch of dirty clothes home. So I decided to do some laundry at home before driving home. And then also on Friday, we had a crime binge, or not we, sorry, I had a crime binge while I was at work, like on my off time, and then also just like before work. And then it was another super, super busy day again, and I was just not having it. So I used a Munchkin um, sticker to mark that, and a busy day script from Right Brain Paper Co. And then also this day, I decided to edit my plan with me. I did film one before leaving, and I just waited till the last day to film it so I could have something uploaded for you guys. Um, and so yeah, so I just edit and did my voiceover and had that uploaded by I think I did it on Saturday. The only thing I hate about like uploading videos at home, and this is why like I rarely uploaded, or not rarely. I just didn't upload as much. I mean, okay, I'm not even going to say that because I don't even upload that much right now. Let's be real. So I just hate uploading over there because his internet speed is so slow. Like it took, I want to say 16 hours to upload this video a couple Plan With Me's ago. And then at home, it takes like 2 minutes max to upload a video. So it's just crazy. Anyway, moving on into Saturday, I was so exhausted this day. I think I went to bed super late on Friday and I had to work early in the morning. So I used an exhausted script from Kinsey's Creations and a Munchkin to mark not wanting to get up. I also had my morning coffee this day. And then I had to call tech support. I was on the phone with them for maybe like 45 minutes. My headset was not working again, and I swear this happens every week now, and I have to call tech support at least once a week. And I don't know what is up with my headset, but I can like receive calls, but the guests can't hear me. And so it just like ends up like messing up everything, obviously. So I have to fix that like once a week now. And then, so after work, I decided to hang out with my friends, or not, sorry, I didn't hang out with Gabby that day. Sorry, Gabby. I hung out with Jordan and Angelica. We just kind of had like a girls' night. I used the custom stickers I got for them from Fox and Pip and a girls' night out sticker. Even though we didn't go out, we just stayed at her house. But we just caught up because I hadn't really talked to them since we moved. And so we all caught up, which was so nice. And we ended up having tacos for dinner because we ended up going to like this party that had tacos. So we got some tacos and nachos. It was so good. But it was so, so fun to hang out with them, just catch up. And yeah, I love hanging out with them. And then I'm gonna go ahead and move into Sunday because Sunday is a busy, busy day. Sunday, I decided to sleep in a little bit because this was the day we were leaving to head back to Arizona, and I wanted to get as much rest as possible. And then Gabby ended up coming over to kind of say bye to me, and we like hung out, and it was like a fun time. She brought me Pete's coffee because she's the best friend ever, and it was so good because I wanted Pete's coffee one more time before leaving. So it was really nice of her to do that. And then we had family time. So it was me, Gabby, my dad, and then Emily like joined us later on. But we were just having like good conversation, and it was just so fun hanging out before leaving. And then also I had to finish packing up to head home. And then once we were all done with that, I went to go pick up Dean from his parents' house, and then we were on the road. But before going on the road, we had to get gas, obviously. So I used an icon to mark that and a get gas script from Kinsey's Creations. And then this day, I got a very special email from Jessica from Letters to Apollo. If you have not seen my Instagram, I've mentioned it already on Instagram a couple times, but I will now have it linked down below in my description box. I am part of her new PR team, which is so exciting. So you guys can use Erica10 to receive 10% off your purchase. So definitely check that out. And today she actually reformatted her website, so it's like super. I mean, it's not like it wasn't pretty before, but it's like super super pretty, and definitely go check her out. I'm so happy to be part of her winter PR team. There's a couple other shops that I'm waiting to announce I'm on their PR team as well. So be on the lookout for that in my description box and on my Instagram, which is Erica Marie Plans. So that's where you guys can check to get all the updates. And then the last thing I wanted to mark on Sunday was when we finally got home. We turned off our AC because we didn't want the AC running while we were gone. We came back home, and downstairs it was 98 degrees, and upstairs it was so hot that our thermostat could not display the temperature. So it was well over 100 degrees upstairs, and it was brutal. But we were so tired. We didn't get home, I think, until 3:30, 4 a.m. And we were just like sweating, and we wanted to go to sleep so bad. So we just blasted the AC and just literally laid in our sweat and fell asleep. It was so gross, but we were so tired. So yeah, this completes this week's plan with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure to follow me on Instagram to see close-ups. It's Erica Marie Plans. I will have that video of my kit collection up later this week or this weekend. And then if you guys have any questions about anything about this spread, if I've missed anything, leave it down below. I will be more than happy to answer those. Thank you guys so much for watching this. Don't forget to hit subscribe and hit that like button if you guys enjoyed it. And I will see you guys in my next video. All right. Bye, guys.